Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today's video is going to be a whole house clean with me. We have a very messy house right now because it's the weekend and we've just been really busy. But I don't want to spend the whole day cleaning the house, so I'm going to try to do as much as I can in 1 hour and see if I can get my husband to help me. He doesn't know that I'm going to ask him yet. In addition to tidying up, I'm going to try to deep clean the stove top and a little bit of the fridge because those two things are really needing to be done as well. So I'm going to put it all in a video in hopes that it will give you guys a ton of cleaning motivation to get in and tackle any jobs that you might have in your own homes. Really quick before we dive in, I just wanted to say hello. My name is Justine and on my channel I'm all about joyful motherhood and natural living and an orderly and peaceful home. Sometimes we get busy and our home cannot be perfectly clean, but orderly and peaceful is what I always strive for. So if you are new here, please make sure you hit that red subscribe button below so that you won't miss out on any of my future videos because I have a lot of fun ones coming for the holiday season especially. Also, I'd like to quickly thank my sponsor of this video. Coco just came into the room. Myk Plus. I will be using their laundry detergent and telling you more about that a little later in the video, but I'm very excited to be working with them because they are a company that makes products that are environmentally friendly and sustainable, but also very safe and effective for your homes. If you guys have been watching my channel for any length of time, you know that I am all about having a natural lifestyle and only bringing products in my home that I feel comfortable using around my children. And now we are going to be cleaning the bedroom, and the kids actually just went down for the nap. It is 11:59. I'm going to try to tidy up this house by 1 p.m. and with Daniel's help, hopefully it will be possible. But I will be doing some deep cleaning later on in the day, and also I have a really delicious dinner of fall off the bone barbecue ribs that I will be sharing with you guys. They are so amazing, so make sure you stay tuned for that. And now let's get cleaning. And we're doing a power hour, so that means we do it as fast as we can, no breaks, and no breaks.
Hey, what's this?
I always have you.
Am I not supposed to acknowledge the camera?
Hey, honey. I got you back.
Got you good. You had no idea what was
coming. After making the bed, we just tidied up the room, hanging up clothes and putting things away that had been left out. I usually like to start my laundry first thing in the morning before I do any other chores, but because I was filming, I forgot. So I'm just going to throw in a load now using the Myk Plus laundry detergent. This laundry detergent contains 7 different kinds of enzymes, which if you don't know what enzymes do, they are environmentally friendly and degradable and sustainable ingredients. Enzymes are completely natural, they're biodegradable and absorb right back into nature. They also work on stains over and over again until they're completely gone. This product has received several awards, including the Nordic Swan Eco Label and Asthma Allergy Denmark's the Blue Label. So it's allergy friendly and fragrance free, and I do have really bad allergies to any fragrances, so I really appreciate and always use products like this one. To use the product, you're just going to soak anything with tough stains for 20 to 30 minutes, then gently wash it. If there are any special stains, it's really awesome because you just pour a little bit of the detergent on the stain and wait for a little bit, then you add warm water to wash the stains off. So I'll have a link down below for anyone wanting to give it a try. to do while I'm cleaning is to light candles or diffusers, but I cannot handle most fragrances anymore. That's why I love Myk Plus Laundry Detergent, because it is great for people with allergy like me or asthma, because it's fragrance free, it's all natural. So when I light candles, I look for some that are made with essential oils. I think this one is so beautiful. It smells delicious. And like that lid, like everything about it, I love it so much. I really love carved wood too. Okay, we're about to clean the kitchen, but I just want to turn on my diffuser first, just so that it smells really great. And a scent I've been loving for the holidays is 6 drops of orange essential oil and 1 drop of cinnamon. So I'm gonna make that right now. It smells really Christmassy. I love it. Okay, so the living room for once isn't actually that big of a mess, but Daniel's just gonna help me do it. Once all the toys were picked up, I just went and grabbed the vacuum and vacuumed crumbs off the top of my ottoman and then the rug as well. There were lots of little crumbs everywhere, so I just decided to continue vacuuming with my Dyson all over the hardwood floors and in the kitchen as well. So, really quickly, all of this mess is because I made Daniel and I some turmeric shots because we think Marky's getting sick because he's been really funny today, really whiny, and just not himself. So we don't want to catch anything, so I made a couple turmeric shots for us. So hence this mess. I did accidentally spill some of it on this counter, and you can't tell, but wherever the turmeric juice was, it was stained yellow. You can kind of see more in here. It's just not coming across camera, but it's quite yellow. There's a little splotch there, so it doesn't come off. It's like very stained. So instead I just used a heavy-duty degreaser and it comes right off. It was right here. It was over on that counter too, and now it's completely gone. Also, to make the turmeric shot, I tried straining it with my almond milk nut bag and it stained it yellow. So I tried washing it with dish soap. I'm hoping that if I throw it in the laundry now, it will clean it. So it is now 1:03. The entire house is clean minus the kids' bedroom because they are down for a nap and I completely forgot that I couldn't clean their bedroom while they were down for a nap. But anyways, we did 1 hour of cleaning, which is great. I do have to go fold the laundry though, and Daniel is finishing up with the dishes and then he has to go and clean out his car or something like that.
Yeah, I gotta clean out the truck and I actually probably should do a lot of leaf duty.
That's true, we have tons of leaves. We just raked a couple weeks ago and already it looks like we didn't rake it all. So I am going to go and fold that laundry. Take my LaCroix because I was too tired to make any kind of beverage for myself. Daniel's watching football too. And I'm just going to turn on, oh, I'm gonna go get my laptop in here, forgot it. And I'm just gonna turn something on Amazon Prime while I fold because that makes it so much more enjoyable. And then the baby back ribs take, I think, 3 hours to cook because you slow cook them in the oven. They're so good. So I need to start that at about 3 if we want to eat at 6. But they're so easy that it's worth having to like plan ahead 3 hours in advance. Anyway, so I'm gonna start folding the laundry now. For anyone who is curious, I turned on the Dick Van Dyke Show, which is like my all-time favorite TV show of anything to watch. Like, I never get tired of it. I love it so much. And I also love the 60s era for housewives. If I could go back, that's when I would be a housewife because I feel like you have tons of modern appliances, but the style back then was so awesome and women were still generally in the homes. So I really love having a glimpse of that in this TV show. Okay, so now it's time to start the ribs, and all I've done is pull the membrane off of this side and trim the fat on the other side of the ribs. And then over here I've made a spice rub out of these ingredients. I got this from a YouTube video years ago, so I will link it down below because I don't want to take views away from her by giving you guys the recipe. And I'm also going to squeeze a lemon over the ribs because she said the acid is what makes them really tender. And then we're just going to slow cook them in the oven at 300 degrees for I think 2.5 hours. I have to watch the video again. Thankfully, they wanted a snack and got it all over the floor. So I'm gonna vacuum again. So here is dinner, some mashed potatoes, peas, and the ribs, of course. They are so tender and delicious. They just fall right off the bone. After baking them for 2.5 hours, I took them out and basted them on both sides with a little barbecue sauce, and then I put them back in for about 3 to 4 minutes on each side. And now they just fall apart. Looking for ribs, pup? After dinner, I was really tired and only did minimal cleanup in the kitchen, so I just put all the food away and wiped down the counters. Much later now and the kids are down for the night, and even though it's only past 8 o'clock, I feel like I'm still adjusting to daylight savings time. So although I wish I could go to sleep now because I'm really tired, I still have to do our bills because I need to mail them out tomorrow morning. So it's gonna take like probably half an hour. So I won't be to bed too late. I'm just hoping that the kids do well tonight and that they'll sleep until a decent hour tomorrow, because this morning they woke up pretty early and it was a little rough. Anyways, so I didn't film very much of the cleanup after dinner because I did tidy up a little bit, put the food away, but Daniel told me that he's gonna do the dishes for me. But now he's in a conference call for the night. Anyways, so I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I am trying to figure out a way to make it easier for me to edit, because if I do a full-on voiceover, it's like editing 2 videos, because I'm editing the video footage and then an audio recording too, and so it just takes me a really long time. So I hope you guys don't mind these videos where it's more vlog style, I'm talking to the camera, but it's got just as much cleaning and stuff in it. So if you like them, please let me know. I hope you do. Also, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, because it really helps my channel do so much better on YouTube, and it's really encouraging as a creator to see you guys leaving me thumbs up. So I really appreciate whenever you guys do. Don't forget to check out Myk Plus. Their laundry detergent is great. It got some stains out that didn't with my previous laundry detergent, so it really does a great job. I really appreciate companies that create natural products that are also sustainable and non-toxic to bring into my home. So do check them out. I will have the link in the description box below. I hope you guys are all having a wonderful night wherever you are, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye guys.